Hello? Is my refrigerator running? Fuck you!
Yeah, I'm quite respected like the VIP section. Not only when the marijuana is in possession, I'm talking about when it's brought up from recollection of me and my products from the studio sessions. Oh shit, kids, Dylan's on a legend and open again, he's legible. So go and tell a few and spread the word like the surge of violence through the world. Here's some Migos reppin' shit like girls of a dumb girl, and then nail the smell and detach from the rest of the batch with the beat and regret, brutalizing boom bap starts. Sail the twilight zone is where he's at. You know he laughs when the blood turns to ash, and then it activates his powerful mind. And then he rhymes from when he meditates, offering a break like a school calendar. Way life's a bitch, he's mad at her water breaks. The birth of a long living legacy, meaning temporarily I'm living negatively, but I fuck that bitch and never let it get the best of me. You see, these kiddos set I speak what's on their mind like telekinesis. I learned my education from them since fucking teacher holding me back. These brothers can't hold me back. Keeping up with that notion is quite difficult. So yeah, I'll admit saying it was a lot more easier to know that at first. I said I fuck it if I don't appear to get on the mic, dude. I learned to wreak havoc on the ones and twos, and I'm a victim through an indecisive fear. The cool, and so I silk a brew, hoping to improve all the feelings into my height. Can do so I ended up right in the verse of two. Said I stayed on one flow, so I switched it up and through, and now I'm versatile, yeah. Whoa. Oh shit, tisk tisk. Let's see, let me guess his fist again like a dick with an uncontrollable bladder and vigorously strive for valor. No need for the validations, he's too dope for the regulations. The critics these days giving real hip-hop oddball sections. I'm blinking out in outer space and knew he would be a poor former though. This life didn't come with a forewarning, yo, so I say so. So I keep the bank rolling, go roast the pesos, the same basis so low, cause he actually hallucinated he was broke as a fucking soul. Stay in Brunn, sticking to a goal. It's cool, yo, we all know that the chip on your shoulder loves to grow and take control. Like all timers, and we all just grow old. With some of us with the on the slowest road. Thankfully, I'm riding O's till the day I'm old. While the rest of the world is on my very own Rolex. Like what the fuck, more money, more weed, and more sex. But put it in retrospect. What if I never make it? Stay on my house steps, or in my motherfucking basement. I'm a baby.
There's a lot of rocks, I gotta smoke it. Yeah, let it freeze.